In this video, you'll learn how to create reports in Airtable using interfaces and dashboards. We'll go step by step, so even if you're new to Airtable, you'll be able to follow along and build a clean, useful report by the end. First, open your web browser on your computer and go to airtable.com. If you're not already signed in, log into your account so you can access your workspaces and bases. Once you're in, look for the base that contains the data you want to report on. This might be something like a sales tracker, a marketing campaign base, a content calendar, or any other base where you've already been collecting information. Click to open that base. The usual grid or other views you're used to will appear, but for reporting, we're going to use a feature called interfaces. At the top of the base, you should see an option labeled interfaces. Go ahead and click that. Interfaces let you turn your raw tables and views into more visual shareable dashboards, which is exactly what we want for reports. Next, click Create New Interface. This is where Airtable asks you what kind of layout you want to start with. You'll typically see options like a dashboard layout or a blank layout. If you're looking for a traditional report style with charts, metrics, and summaries all in one place, choosing a dashboard layout is usually the easiest starting point. If you prefer complete control over the design from scratch, you can pick a blank layout instead. Either option will work. It just depends on how much structure you want right away. Once your interface is created, you can begin adding elements to build out your report. You'll see tools for adding charts, number elements, tables, and summary blocks. Charts are great for visualizing trends like sales over time or tasks completed by team. Number elements are perfect for key metrics such as total revenue, number of active projects, or average response time. Tables and summaries can show more detailed data or roll-ups, giving stakeholders a quick way to see the underlying information behind your charts. For each element you add, Airtable will ask you to choose the table or view that will provide the data. This is an important step. Pick a table or a filtered view that already contains the specific records you want to display. For example, if you only want to report on this quarter's data, you might select a view that filters records to just those dates. Choosing the right source view will keep your report focused and easier to read. After linking each element to a table or view, spend some time customizing the filters, grouping, and labels. Filters let you narrow down what appears in each chart or table so you can highlight only the most relevant information. Grouping helps you organize data by categories such as status, owner, or region, which can reveal patterns more clearly. Adjusting labels, titles, and legends makes your report easier for others to understand at a glance, even if they're not familiar with your base structure. When everything looks good and you're happy with the layout and data, it's time to finalize your report dashboard. Look for the Publish button and click it. Publishing saves your interface in a stable state and makes it easy to share and revisit as a report. You can come back later to tweak or expand it as your data and reporting needs evolve. That's all you need to create a clear, interactive report in Airtable using interfaces and dashboards.